Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value, and if you're not having a good day, then you're not invested in uranium, I guess. But the buying pressure is strong. Uranium is firm. It's up against its resistance level. I'll show you what that looks like for uranium price-wise. The downtrends are breaking everywhere, and the buying pressure is remaining strong. So it looks very favorable for a continued move to the upside. Doesn't mean every single day is going to be up, but the overall trend is definitely changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. So let's jump in here. I'll give you my financial opinion. Do not use this as advice. Please do your own due diligence. I'm going to make comments, and I don't want those comments to be misconstrued for advice or anything like that. The comments, I speak freely. I speak of my own opinion, and it's of the companies that I like and that I invest in. So here we go. Here's uranium. I'm going to start with the uranium price. The uranium price is looking fantastic. Now, we have slowed down in the price appreciation of it, but we're coming up to a little bit of resistance through here and back through here. I think once we break through this resistance, and we could put a little sideways cup deal action here, maybe. We might not. We might blow through this. So my course of action, since uranium has been so incredibly cheap in relationship to gold and the valuations are so cheap, I've been a buy and hold of this sector. And I continue to cost average into it when on pullbacks and everything else. Right now, we are moving on higher. So it's up to you on what you want to do. I have been buying, if you want to know my take on it. Now here's North Shore Global Uranium Mining ETF. This is probably the least risk way to play the uranium sector if you want to play the uranium sector. Looking at a big picture view, we came on up and then we squeezed up tight into this corner in June. We had a nice consolidation sell-off period. And now we're heading on higher. We broke the downtrend. Looking pretty good. Lots of buying pressure. The volume stepped in. Looks fantastic. To move higher, that is. CCJ, it looks pretty good. And what I like here is we had this black candlestick down day and we still went higher. The buying pressure is really strong. The buyers are stepping in and coming in. Looks fantastic. Next Gen Energy, again, looking pretty good. Nice little wick at the bottom. It tried selling off throughout the day and just buyers pushed it right back up. Nice, good, okay volume there. Downtrends are breaking. Fission looking great. Finish strong. We could see continued buying. The buying pressure is increasing. Downtrend broke. Everything looks good. We have a bullish engulfing pattern right here as well. I think this has staying power for a good move. I think we're going to start testing this 55-cent area, and we're going to try breaking through at some point. Sky Harbor Resources. We pulled on back, consolidated a little bit, came to a dead period point, bullish engulfing pattern. This means we're about to launch. Came back in, launch. Looks good. Another bullish engulfing pattern today. Bullish engulfing pattern means a statistical probability of moving up. We have another bullish engulfing. What a bullish engulfing is an opening price down here, a closing price, and this candlestick body engulfs the candlestick body of the day before it. This means it's going to go higher with a statistical probability, and there it is going higher. We came into this pattern as well. I like when things align like this. Pattern, bullish engulfing, higher. Downtrend line, we're coming down. I like what we're doing here. It's probably going to go higher for this is an exploration company of Pure Point Uranium. Vision 3.0, we've got this downtrend line here. I'll throw in, I got a blue one here. Throw in a downtrend line. It broke the downtrend line. Now, what we usually see is we see a downtrend line. It breaks it. It does a little like sell-off back test, which it did today. I like it here. I like it a lot. And this could, I think, is going to go higher very soon. Base low, downtrend line. We broke it, went sideways, higher. Azincourt hasn't moved much. It's been kind of a laggard. This is a very small exploration company. Up to you on what you want to do. It's high risk. I have a little teeny bit of money in here. It's about to break. It's right there. What do you think I would do? Buy it is what I would do. Here is UEX Corp coming on down. Now we're heading higher. I like that we had a sell-off here and the buyers came back and responded right the next day. Very strong. Encore Energy, downtrend line break. Nice clean break. And today, buying pressure followed right after. Looking good. Now, looking at this from a long-term perspective on Encore Energy, we've got this line going across. We've got buyers and sellers all through here. That's what all these little transactions, lots of transactions going through here. We came up and we just dropped. We dropped like mad right here. So when we break this line here, I think you could potentially see a move much, much higher very soon. We've got URG. URG broke its downtrend here. It's looking pretty good. UEC, we broke the downtrend line. Again, it's looking fantastic to move higher. Uranium Royalty Corporation, we've got our consolidation pattern, and we're just breaking out, turtle heading out of the top of it. I think it's going to break. This is probably a nice one to enter. I've been buying all at the bottom of this support line. We've got UU, downtrend line break. We're seeing all these downtrend lines break. It's looking excellent across the sector. Denison Mines, we break this area through here. I think we're going to see some fireworks. Bullish engulfing here. We've got the nice big up days, small down days. Looks like we're going to take a run at it. Bannerman broke its downtrend line. Looking fantastic as well. Bannerman, from a long-term perspective, I got the line going in here. We break this line and kind of get away from it. You could see a big move. We're right there, about to go. The alignment is all there. Deep yellow, nice move higher, up 7.62% today. That's what we're trying to break on the long term. Hit our head on it, hit our head on it, hit our head on it. We're about to break very, very soon. And I'm a buyer of deep yellow. I like deep yellow. Global Atomic, downtrend line break. Looking fantastic. I like it here. Forces Metals, we have a downtrend line right through here. Is the way that I'm viewing this. I kind of cut this off. And we're coming on up. I like it a lot right here. I own a lot of it. Bullish engulfing pattern right here. Statistical probability is higher, and we got the break of the downtrend line. Forces Metals on a long-term perspective, you kind of touched some of these through here, this congestion area, come across, broke out, pulled back, and we could potentially be heading much, much higher. Forum Energy Metals, downtrend line, ready to break higher. Laramide, downtrend line, breaking higher. And right here, we're going to be making some new highs very soon. Laramide, on a long-term perspective, we've got this sideways movement. We're going to break it at any point. It's going to take some time, though. Peninsula Energy, downtrend line. We're right here. I would be a buyer if you like Peninsula. Do it right now. Boss Energy, downtrend line, just barely breaking. I would be a buyer if you like Boss Energy. And Centrus Energy Corp, here is the the downtrend line or resistance line, and we're breaking a clear break. This is a breakout. Ride it if you're in it. This looks fantastic to ride. And then Lightbridge, if you guys are crazy and you want some high leverage, maybe right here, it's about to break, before the break. This is National Atomic Company Kazatomprom, downtrend line break, looking good. We do have a wick at the top, but we'll see if the buying pressure continues. Nice big buying pressure today. And then International Consolidated Uranium, breaking its downtrend line, looks very good to continue higher. I don't know too many that aren't breaking their downtrend lines. The whole area looks fantastic. If we see uranium break through that resistance area, my lord, I think that's going to be extra fuel for all these companies. Now, sometimes the mining companies lead the uranium price, and maybe the uranium price is going to take off at any second here. If we get the confluence of uranium really starting to move higher, it's going to spark interest in the sector. I think we're going to see more money flood in. So what I've done is on this pullback, I've been adding into that weakness. Now we've got strength. I'm adding into strength, buying everything I want. I'm not going to leave much money on the side because I've been saving for this opportunity. I've been buying the past couple of days. I'm basically all out of my allocated money to uranium, I should say, that I had. So take your picks. It's up to you on what you want to do. I've already purchased my stuff. I bought into strength, and I see stronger days ahead of us, and hopefully we get a nice big uptrend out of this. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for listening. Subscribe to the channel. This is Finding Value.